In recent years, the Silesian language has been experiencing a true renaissance and has become an attractive form of communication as well as marketing. Companies that are market aware and follow trends to effectively reach their customers more and more often employ Silesian language. It applies to large corporations and local businesses. To answer their needs, we opened PoNaszymu.pl, the world's first translation agency specializing in Silesian. The language is our greatest passion. We are some of the lucky ones to learn it at home. Therefore, we want to do everything we can to make it more and more visible in the public space.
In the last national census, over 500,000 Silesians declared to use Silesian at home. There is also a large group of people who use it on an irregular basis, or at least they understand it. Many companies still don't use the potential hidden in the Silesian language, and that's why, if you decide to use it in your marketing campaign, you will be more recognizable and you will outrun your competition. You will also gain friendliness of Silesians and pick their interest.
We had built our experience long before we opened PoNaszymu. We started from wedding invitations and restaurant menus. Later we are getting bigger and more challenging contracts, such as translating websites, advertisement materials and offers, film dialogues and shop signs. We have worked on much more complicated translation projects as well. We have taken part in localization of large operating systems and computer games.
We have even written and redacted books in Silesian. We have cooperated with creative agencies, building campaigns for their customers. We have supported associations and foundations operations, and also we have implemented projects for local governments. By ordering an interpretation with PoNaszymu, you are making sure that you are working with professionals who not only know Silesian fluently, but they perfectly understand your needs.
We would be happy to share our marketing experience with you, and we will advise how to create and implement an effective advertisement campaign directed at your Silesian customers. Or maybe you thought about the Silesian language lesson at your company's social meeting? We will be glad to create an unforgettable event tailored to your expectations.
Join those who take advantage of the wealth offered by the Silesian language. Contact us and we will be happy to create a translation for you.